Ethereum may decline 3.3% by April 26, Traders Union reports. First, let's take a moment to see what the chart is showing us now. At this point, Ethereum has seen a 0.4% rise today and is priced close to $2,314.39. Now it's time for the analyst's takes. Traders Union forecasts a downward move to $2,238.37 by tomorrow. That's 3.3% below the current level. Ethereum might edge down to $2,286.05 according to digital coin price, roughly 1.2% lower. Coin price forecast highlights the possibility of approaching $2,323, a potential increase near 0.4%. A different forecast by CoinCodex shows Ethereum could move upward to $2,344.34, a projected increase close to 1.3%. And to wrap up, Gov Capital Collector predicts $2,401.58 by April 26, which is 3.8% higher than now. This is the strongest return potential we've seen. That wraps our top projections. Let's dig further. With expert views laid out, here's how they might translate. The shared data from these forecasts suggests the market could move from a decline of 3.3% to a gain of 3.8%, depending on the analyst. Looking at the numbers, Gov Capital Collector comes out on top with 3.8% gain in value by April 26. It's clear you could earn between $4 and $38 for every $1,000 you invest. When it comes to the probability of success, Coin Price Forecast leads the way at 87.9%. After reviewing all 5 forecasts, I've calculated a common scenario. From all forecasts combined, Ethereum remains close to $2,318.67. Let's walk through the details. The consensus perspective shows the price advancing by 0.2%. On those same terms, your capital could potentially move higher by 0.2%. For a 1,000 setup, the forecast might correspond to $2 gained, and the likelihood of the consensus forecast on Ethereum being realized is placed at 88.9%. Let's take a moment to explore the market direction for the next 3 days based on analysts' views. Traders Union emphasizes selling pressure dominating. A slide is additionally anticipated by digital coin price, with pressure on the downside. The outlook from Coin Price Forecast shows the price climbing further. Ethereum may advance, CoinCodex also notes. According to Gov Capital Collector, the short-term direction additionally points upward. By merging the individual forecasts, the consensus shows Ethereum trending upward across this short-term period. In summary, most forecasts align on a bullish view, suggesting Ethereum could continue trending higher in the near term. 5 sites published forecasts 2 days ago. Yesterday showed how accurate they turned out. As a result, the market finally closed at $2,315.18. Out of 5, only 2 analysts forecast the move correctly. The best aligned prediction with the market came from CoinLore. Now let's set it in order. Only 1 forecast ended up inside yesterday's daily range. Regarding ROI, a few analysts delivered profits, and CoinDataFlow ranked first among them. Here's the daily overview. A simple summary of all results. The stats list CoinCodex with $116.38 accuracy, 63.2% forecast probability, and -1.5% ROI. See who came closest to reality in this set of results. And now we're moving to the comparison of tomorrow's expected returns for Ethereum and a small group of other coins. At 5th place we find Ethereum, while ETH continues to lead at 2.1%. What you see here is a sample of 5 coins, and the wider comparison of profitability among many cryptocurrencies will also follow soon on my website. We're done for today. Subscribe now so you're ready when the next one hits. That's all. See you soon.